Chur, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today's our first video of Te Mana Kuratahi. I know, it's taken a long time, but nonetheless, it's done. So let's get into this, bro, and just sort it out, eh? Today we are reacting to Whare Tapere, and if you're supporting Whare Tapere, make sure to drop a comment down below. Let's get straight into this. Did you skip the wire to Tira? We're not doing this again. Damn! The control cousin. What the hell? Oh my days! Holy bro. Someone needs to drop her hair right now. We need to make this one famous. Someone drop her hair right now. The control bro. Why are you not carrying Tani? I'm sorry. Holy heck, brother. Cousin, look at them. Rako's touching. I heard that, G. Nonetheless, still terrible. I already know what I'm about to see. Some of these Mana Kuratahi brackets are going to be better than some colleges I've seen. This is pretty tough. For people in intermediate, for Mana Kuratahi, this is like, again, I've seen Kuratua Rua that can't do this. Our future of Kapahakaji is looking bright here. More te time anyway. What in the leg? Oh, there's a bit of a futty. But she bought it. Let's go. Toys! Full screen, I want to see what's happening in the back, geez. I'ma be real, I'ma be honest. Okay, I'm so sorry. People are gonna hate me, G. And this is just all a part of it. I didn't really like that. You fellas are probably gonna be watching this and be like, Hux, I hate you. All good, okay? Hate me if you want to. That's alright. It's okay to... I will take that back. It's not okay to hate people. But if you want to hate me, feel free to hate me. That more I didn't really like. That's just a me thing that. Come at me if you want. I'm a honest guy, okay? I'm honest. I'm honest. I think I'm gonna like this one day. That's a nice name for the tiny. How can she sing like that? She's only in Mana Kuratahi, bro. She's only a Kuratahi. Ah. Oh my days, can you hear her? Powerhouse, G. Pass. That was tough. I like that. I think so far, this is probably my favorite item. The Waiataringa. Favorite item. This one's for you, Wahine. Yeah! Sorry, Tama. Yeah. They're all doing different things. I'm so confused. Okay, they're back. Wait, I'm so confused. I like the wire though. Oh, I didn't even see that pull drop. Ammo. All the time they're coming through. The long poi, double long poi. Is that a double what is it called? What is it called? I've seen the bro pick up their poi. Come in. Hey, I'm so confused there. I'm not gonna lie. Whare Tapere, G, I'm so sorry. There's just too much going on, G. But I'm low-key interested. Tough. Never mind, these fellow facials are on. Probably because this is all they practice when they go home. Tough. Oi. Oi. I like it, I like it, I like it. Haka was pretty tough. Oh, yo. Another powerhouse? Question mark? Oh my gosh. Oh my days! That was solid, G. I'm not gonna lie, that was tough, G. What I will say, one thing I didn't like though, is just how quick they got him from one thing to another, G. Now that's not their fault. That isn't their fault. But everyone has their own different styles. That's just me personally. Like, people are gonna disagree with me, G. But I reckon if you just got that little bit of break, G, everything would have just been that much better. What I will say though, being able to do a bracket, bang, 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 without anything, without even just a small little break, is hard and is tough, especially at their age, bro. Like, there's no way I'll be doing this. Honestly, there's no way I would be able to do this if I was their age. Other than that, G, that's probably one of the biggest things for me, is just like, it was just boom, 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 boom. Everything else was pretty solid. I don't really like the more tier. I don't think, me personally, I don't think it suited your guys's, the way that your voices sounded. Oh, and the poi. I don't really like the poi. Which was pretty sad because Loki, the wahine in this bracket were just powerhouses, G. All of them can sing. All of them are going hard. Tane just Tane. You know, we're young Tane. When we're young, G, we're a little bit hard to teach. They were still tough. They were still moving. They were still going where they needed to go. Other than that clumpage at the start during the whakaeke, the rest of it was pretty solid. You know, there's always going to be those things like Rako aren't on the same angle, but those are all just nitpicking things, and those will all come with time. I've seen colleges that do that all the time. What I can say is I cannot wait, bro. I cannot wait to see you guys just level up, because that's all it's gonna be, G. It's only uphill from there. That pretty much sums up the video. I'm gonna close it up there. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. All that good stuff helps me out heaps, and just lets me know, you know, that you are keen. You just want to watch more. Other than that, until next time. Chirr.